All right, 6:30 in the morning. Day one of fasting. I think there's gonna be a lot of sleeping during this fasting because that's the easiest way to get through fasting. I've already fasted for about 10 hours. Finished dinner last night at 8:30.
All right, so I'm currently having my last meal before a 3-day fast. I'm having a little Sauvignon Blanc. I'm having some fish, rice, veggies. Last meal before a 3-day fast. Let's see how this goes. I gotta enjoy this because I won't be having any food for the next 24, 48, 72 hours. All right, it's like 9:30 a.m. Gonna go get this hair cut. I'm gonna basically shave it all off. Fasting's good so far. Drinking a lot of water. Just a couple hours in. This is not the hard part, I know. The hard part comes probably late afternoon today or night, where you get ravishly hungry and you just need to eat. So I'll update you guys as the journey comes along. I gotta pee a lot, by the way. This fasting, since I'm drinking a lot of water, makes you just go to the bathroom a ton. Walking to the barbershop. You can sing me home. Sí, sí.
Y aquí en la misma altura de todo.
Crazy. Get a new fresh haircut. Haven't done this maybe since I was like 13. Let's continue on our day. Just a little more water in my system. I need to have a little salt in my water. Keep my minerals up.
I kind of forgot to weigh myself at the beginning, so just so we can see kind of a weight change. So I'm gonna have to do that now. So there we go. Well, I'm carrying the camera, so it's gonna say a little more. All right, we're at 213.4.
A few moments later.
Probably not the smartest thing to do to watch food videos on YouTube when you're on a 3-day fast, but it's weird. You don't have lunch, so you have all this extra time. You know, you usually spend, let's say, an hour of lunch, 30 minutes of breakfast, maybe an hour for dinner, and that's quick. That's like 2.5, 3 hours that now I have extra. And I'm just sitting here watching YouTube videos of food. I'm only like 18, 19 hours into the fast, and your brain does stuff that is not nice because your brain is like going to survival mode, and it's like you have to eat. So all your input sensors, like your taste buds and everything, is just working overhyped. So just gotta tough it out. So let's tough this out.
it is 23 hours right now into my fasting. So it's basically day one of fasting. And how do I feel? Well, definitely I felt the need to want to eat. Not so much physically, like it's not like my stomach has been asking for food or it's been grumbling, which is weird. I usually get that. The mental part is so hard. So I've literally been asking myself, like, why am I doing this? I don't need to do this. I could just go and eat a burger or have an ice cream. Watching videos on YouTube, food videos, definitely does not help. Or any kind of food activity, like don't even think of going out with your friends and I'm just gonna watch you eat. That's not gonna help. For me, the physical part's not as bad as the mental part. Read a book by David Goggins and another book by Lone Survivor. They're both Navy SEALs and they go through Hell Week. And the people that stay in Hell Week, they always ask themselves and question themselves, why am I torturing myself? It's kind of a self-torture in a way, but you know in the other end, you're gonna come out and you're gonna be better. I'm obviously doing this for health benefits, all the health benefits. I'm really looking forward the weekend to see what I'm gonna eat. Okay, so I stopped eating Tuesday night, so I had Tuesday night dinner at 8:30 p.m. and basically today is Wednesday, 7:30, so I still have 48 hours to go. That's my experience so far on day one. If you guys have any questions or anything else, just leave it in the comments. If you're going to attempt this, do it under supervision of a doctor. Day one down, day two to go. We'll see you on day two. All right, guys, peace.